So YouTubers, Roger coming back in with another video. Today we'll be doing Nature Hue Stronghold Pomade. Picked up on Amazon. I was trying to get some cock grease. Triple X, ended up getting 4X. So I'll be doing a review on this sometime soon. Also picked up some Nature's Blessing. You know, some good stuff from what I've heard. Really good for the hair and skin and stuff, so we'll be doing something on that too. I don't really know much about this pomade other than that it's a water soluble. It's almost done. I've been using it the last couple of days. It's a camel color. The scent, it's like a light cologne scent, so it's not too strong like suavecito. So it's all right, you know. Usual ingredients for the water solubles. You know, it doesn't smell as good as Lay Right or Suavecito, but you know, it's all right. And that's about it. I mean, it's almost like the Suavecito label because you have the skeleton with the Pomp right there, and this guy ends up having the gentleman stash and shit, mustache. He has a guitar too, so. But yeah, let's get to it. It's pretty easy to get into. And it's a decent price for this product too. It's not that bad. You know, the thing about it, it's very gel-like. Because you know how water solubles are more like gels? Well, this one, like, you could feel it hardening like gel and stuff, so that's the only thing about it. But other than that, it holds up well, better than gel. You know, because for me, right? Gel, I used to put on gel, and what would it do at the end of the day? Because I sweat a lot. It would make my hair all puffy and shit. I don't like that shit. And this stuff, you know, it's for it to be like a little bit like gel. You know, it stays together. Doesn't really doesn't like, you know, just melt off and my hair looks like a fucking fro at the end of the day. You know? So it's really decent pomade. You know, it's not as good as, you know, Lay Right or Suavecito, but you know, to go to work and shit, not that bad. Just to run the errands. So, yeah, sometime soon, I'll do a video on cock grease. I don't know how soon, but I will. I'll get to it. Just because I haven't seen an American review on cock grease 4X, so yeah, I thought I picked up the number 3, so yep, shit happens, right? I'm done. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, I'm done. Sweet. Wait up. No, I'm not. Not that bad, huh? I mean, it has pretty good hold. You know. So this is it. Each for you. All right. Have a good one, guys.